Now we're going to go over to the gear case assembly inspection. First thing you're going to want to do, check your timing gears for side play. Rotate your shaft left and right if you hear side play, timing gears need replaced. Also inspect your oil seals. Look for any leakage, replace if necessary. On this side of the pump, you have two blue cleanout plugs. Remove the bottom cleanout plug, inspect for water or any debris. If you find any, remove with a paper towel, reinstall your plug. Every 750 hours, the pump needs an oil change and a re-grease. Drain through the bottom oil plug, refill your oil to the top of the sight glass. Grease certs on the opposite side. Take 1 squirt of grease every 750 hours per bearing. Back plate of your gear case, you have an oil seal. Inspect for leakage, replace if necessary. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thank you for watching.